It's going to be a reading for the sign of Capricorn. So all that you need to know about your person moving forward. So let's start. What is going on with you, Capricorn, in soulmate connection? First three cards for you, and then we can move on to your person. So right now with King of Swords, you guys are trying to be very practical or very logical about your situation or your relationship. Okay, in the past, recent past, you did miss them, but right now you are taking a practical stand regarding this whole situation. Okay, one more card. What do we see happening in Capricorn's life currently? Second card we have for you is Queen of Pentacles. Some of you guys could be dealing with multiple people. Doesn't have to be, but could be. I see you trying to stay completely focused on your financial life. Okay, trying to be a very responsible, like maybe a parent or a son or a daughter, but trying to look after what's needed and what you're responsible for. Some of you might be very concerned about your mother, like this very month. I do not know why I'm getting that, but could be. Okay, but overall I see you being very practical and focusing on your finances and what really matters to you. Okay, what else do we see happening in Capricorn's life, spirit? With Six of Cups, I do feel there is going to be a return of a soulmate, or you're going to meet someone new. Okay, but you guys are going to meet someone for sure in the next like couple of weeks. Okay, I do see someone new coming in. If it's not someone new, selected few of you, it could be a past person. Okay, but this person could be water sign for many of you: Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. I also see Gemini for selected few of you. Okay, moving forward, how do you view the connection you're being a part of or you think about? The connection that you are a part of or you think about, you feel like you guys are separated, not on good terms. Even if you guys are talking, you do not feel like you guys are, like equal or having to do anything with the long-term future. You feel a fallout with them, a separation with them. If it's not physical, it could be emotional. Okay, in terms of your person, what are they going through? With Four of Cups, I believe this person right now is being very distant or being very unavailable. Okay, they could have multiple options and they are not choosing any. Okay, they are in their own sweet world, bit depressed, bit detached, and like absent from your life maybe. Okay, one more card. What's their energy towards you now? What's their energy towards you? In terms of their energy towards you with Two of Cups, they still do think of of this connection. They do still feel connected to you, regardless whether they are physically in contact or not. They still feel connected to you. They still think about you. Okay, in terms of like, what do they want from you now? What do they really want from you now? With the Moon card right now, things are not very clear as to what they want or how they want to move things forward. Right now they might just want to maintain an affair. Okay, nothing more than that. They are not really ready to reveal much or open up much about what they want and how they want to move forward in this connection. Okay, in terms of their overall energy towards you, what's their overall energy towards Capricorn, please? In terms of the overall energy, I see Seven of Swords and Ace of Cups in the reverse. So this person is not ready to completely open up about their feelings. They are kind of resisting or kind of running away from having to express their feelings to you. Okay. In terms of what's the major blockage or what's really getting in the way? What's really getting in the way? With the Chariot card, there could be some physical distance involved. If it's not physical distance, this person has a decision to make. Okay, it's either you or someone else. Okay, if it's either it could be a partner, it could be a work situation, it could be a places, like they choose the place they live in, or they choose to move forward towards you. Okay, one more card. What's the major blockage that will be getting in the way, spirit? The Fool card, this person isn't completely ready to make a move towards you, or to take that risk forward. They're not ready to risk it all with you. Okay, in terms of their feelings for you, how do they truly feel for you now? in terms of their feelings, or like, don't doubt their feelings. That they definitely have feelings for you. They might have not really expressed it, but I definitely see them having feelings, having emotions for you. In the recent past, selected few of you, they kind of give you a hint that they still want this, or they still want to continue this. Okay, one more card. What do they truly have in their heart space for Capricorn? Yeah, just like I told you, with Four of Wands, they do want you. They still want to stay connected to you. They still want to move forward in this connection. Okay, one card for what exactly are they looking forward to have with you now? What exactly are they looking forward to have with you? With Seven of Pentacles right now, darling, there may be a slight delay. Okay, reason being they do not feel completely like ready, or like completely having the energy or whatever they need to move forward in this connection. They still feel like they need more time. Okay, in terms of their overall intentions, yeah, with the Hanged Man right now, they might not want to make any sort of decision based on this. So what exactly are they ready to offer you now? If at all they come forward, what are they ready to offer you now? Okay, things could be sexual, but emotionally this person isn't very ready to open up. Okay, sexually yes, but emotionally no. Okay, where this connection is going for the next couple of weeks? Where do you see this connection going, Spirit? I still feel that you are feeling disappointed, or feeling like this is good for nothing. This is always going to remain this way. And you are not exactly wanting to be a part of something that puts you down, or that makes you feel bad or sad, whatever. Okay, one card for where is this going for the next couple of months? Where do you see this connection going? Nothing but the truth here. With Four of Swords, to be very honest, there could be delays. Okay, yes, they want something solid with you, but that could happen maybe in next couple of months or so. But right now this person is blocking themselves, not completely giving in emotionally. Okay, like, what's happening in their life? Like, what exactly are they hiding from you? With the Empress card right now, I believe they're completely focusing on themselves financially as well. Things could be not very good in their life. They feel like they lack financially, or they lack that energy to make that move forward. Selected few of you, this person could be a parent. Okay, they are focusing on their kids. Okay, if they don't have kids, there are no kids involved, they could be focusing on their growth, financial growth, emotional growth, or their in terms of their work life career. Okay, one card for what can you expect throughout this connection overall. With Six of Pentacles, I do feel like they will give in, but they might take time. Pentacles are all about taking the like one step at a time, moving slowly. With Page of Pentacles right now, they are not ready to offer much. It's up to you whether you still want to be a part of this or not. Okay, so what else should Capricorn be knowing? So right now you might be feeling like this person is using you, like they are gold digger, sexaholic, fame hungry, or they just need a escape, or just need a home to stay in. Okay. In the recent past, you had that feeling like you were feeling used, or you felt like this person was kind of just using you for benefits. Selected few of you, this is your twin flame. Okay, we have twin flame card 1111. Hot and cold, they may be hot and cold towards you, warning. So just like I told you, in the near future things might not be very smooth. Things might be hot and cold, on and off. Okay, but yes, this was your reading. In terms of do they love you, they do, but are they ready to completely put in that effort and work things out, and fix things and get back in, like, within this month? I would say no, they'll take more time for that. Okay, you'll need to be patient with them. So yes, this was your reading and all that you need to know. If it connected, resonated, please hit the like button. Let me know in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel. All those who want a personal reading from me, please reach out on my website and book one for yourself. And yeah, thank you so much for coming in, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.